out looking for cobia. Cobia fishing is hard. We haven't seen, well, we saw one very early. That was all. This is the view. Looking. It's just a matter of hopefully seeing them, and we'll start casting to them. That's it for now. So there was a lot of watching and looking to see what was going to happen, and it did. Yeah. Got it? Yes, sir. All right.
Yeah, right on your side is small and everything. Where's he at?
He's right here. Right here at the boat.
Yeah. I'm going to turn him.
Okay.
Yeah, play him a little bit. Let
Yep.
him wear himself out a little.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Good job, buddy.
Yeah. Slow. Oh, shit. Let's, you want us up here at the front or the back? What's better?
Right to the back.
Let's go to the back.
Tight.
Yep. Yep, he's running. He's coming.
There we go.
He's coming.
Play him a little bit. He's coming towards the back. All right, here he comes. Hold on. There you go. All right, yeah. Let him go. Yep, he's good. He's good. Oh, yeah, there he is. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I hope I am. I'm not sure.
All right.
I think it is.
All right, walk to the back. You okay?
Yep. Yep. We're good.
Yeah.
We're good.
There we go.
I'll get back up in a second.
Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, just be up. Let them wear out some.
Yeah, all right.
I figured you didn't.
No problem.
Yeah.
All right. It's right. Yeah, it's about 8 feet down. There's the leader.
You see him? Yeah. Yep. There he is. Yeah. Yeah, one more.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait. I got him.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Son saw the fish,
That's
dude.
my very first cobia.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
All right,
that's
bro.
awesome.
Yeah.
Happy retirement.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
It's all uphill from here.
Oh,
I'm
excellent.
just going to cut that.
That's fine.
Oh.
Here we go, right here.
There we go. I'll work that up. You got it? There we go.
Just check it.
Coop.
One in the box, baby.
Yay. Dig it.
Here you go, sir.
Mike. Mike. Caleb.
Okay, we got your jig back for you.
All right.
You got some tacos, baby.
Come on. Get my...
Hit him one more time. Let's get a picture with Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got the fish grip to make it so we ain't gotta.
Okay, cool.
Yep. Mind your way here.
No, I'm gonna get you set
There
up.
you go, yeah.
So, what makes for a better picture
Yep.
is to get him like this,
Yep.
and hold him like that.
Yeah.
All right.
Get him closer to the camera. Yeah.
And then we're gonna get the sunlight. Right.
There we go. All right. This is cool, man. This is great. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Come back and nice work.
Oh,
Nice.
you want to do that?
Yeah, buddy. Thanks, man.
Let's get another one for Caleb. Yeah,
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
We got some. Yeah, I was gonna take a
We'll get
selfie
some
with
more.
this, but
Yeah, all right.
All right.
Yeah, Captain Caleb saw that one.
Yeah.
Cast and everything.
Woo! Damn, buddy.
Got it.
Yeah, hey, it's fun. Some bullets.
We're going to toss him back, right?
Don't let him throw that hook in your hand.
Yep.
Got him? You want me to come down?
I think I got him here. He'll be out in just a...
You got those fish grips there too. Yep. There we go.
I got him. All right. Okay.
Got your camera on?
Yep. You ready? Oh, he's gone. He's away.
He wants it. He wants it. He ate it.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
Got it?
I got it. I got it. Sort of rolling down the pipe now. Yeah, we caught one good-sized cobia keeper and I don't know, 4 they call rats. Those would have gone anywhere between, I'd say between 6 and 12 pounds. It's a lot of fun. If we're heading home, that's great. If not, we'll fish some more. And then I know they're up there in the tower still looking. Anyway, that's it. Back to the board.
Maybe once we get in a little.
Well, why not? Okay. All right.
Got your battery charged and everything?
Yeah. Here, take that for me, would you? Yeah.
Once we get under the bridge, it's going to be smooth sailing.
Okay.
We're just going to take it easy on the way in. We'll get behind one of these big boats. Take your time.
Old man.
Take your time, man.
Tight squeeze.
One more. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Once we get bottom rigs, the rest of it's going to be butter.
My bass tracker's a little wetter than yours, but not much.
Yeah, well, today's a wet day.
Yeah. Actually, your windshield works better than the one on my bass tracker.
I like driving up here. A lot of people think I'm just giving up my seat, but I prefer it up here.
I don't blame you. Yeah.
I